What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the best cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9 from EasyAcc. Welcome back, and huge shout out to the folks over at EasyAcc for sending out these products for review. I'm going to go ahead and drop a link down in the description to their website. Head over to their website and check out all the great products that they have to offer. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at 5 different cases, so without further delay, let's go ahead and begin. So first up is the ultra slim, thin, semi-transparent case. In terms of the unboxing, both the front and back of the packaging gets us more familiar with our case. Opening up the packaging for the very first time, we're presented with the case itself as well as a microfiber cleaning cloth. This is a flexible, soft case that feels great in the hand and has a frost look to it. The case is built well and has all the appropriate cutouts for the ports and buttons. Next up is the soft TPU crystal clear transparent case. Opening up the packaging for the very first time, we're presented with the case itself, which again feels excellent in the hand and also adds what's going to be some much needed grip. Now, I really like transparent cases, so I'll definitely be using this one. Next up is the soft TPU cushioned corner crystal clear case. Again, we have the same style packaging and the case feels great, and it definitely is built a little bit stronger and tougher than the previous transparent case, with, as the name of the case implies, cushioned corners. The case feels great, and since it's fully transparent, you'll still be able to show off the beautiful Galaxy S9 design. Next up is the flip cover leather wallet case with kickstand. We get a different style packaging with this particular case, and I have to say that this case really looks nice. Now, I'm not a huge fan of flip out cases, however this one is designed very well. Here's a closer look at those card slots, as well as the materials used and the excellent stitching. The case has a soft inner shell that give you all the proper cutouts and protect your buttons. And lastly is the slim profile matte finish case. Included in the packaging is the case itself as well as a microfiber cleaning cloth. The case features a very soft matte black finish that feels excellent in the hand. And the case has protective buttons and all the appropriate cutouts. Anyways guys, this is just a quick video letting you know about some of the cases that will be available for the Galaxy S9 launch date on February 25th. Now, these cases aren't yet available on EasyAcc's website, however on February 25th they will become available. Don't forget to drop a like rating down below and subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron and I'll see you guys on the next one.